Investing is often associated with large sums of money, but the reality is that you can start investing with even the smallest amounts. Whether you have a few $100s or just spare change, there are opportunities available to begin your investment journey. Investing with little money requires a different approach, but with patience, discipline, and the right strategies, you can build wealth over time. Here's a guide on how to invest with little money and kickstart your financial future. 1. Set clear goals. Before diving into investing, take the time to define your financial goals. Do you want to save for retirement, buy a house, or fund your children's education? Understanding your objectives will help determine your investment strategy and risk tolerance. 2. Start with what you have. You don't need a large sum of money to begin investing. Start by allocating whatever you can afford to spare each month. Even small amounts, when invested consistently over time, can grow significantly thanks to the power of compounding. 3. Utilize micro-investing apps. Micro-investing apps have democratized investing by allowing individuals to invest small amounts of money. Apps like Acorns, Stash, and Robinhood enable you to invest spare change from everyday purchases or make small recurring investments. These platforms often offer diversified portfolios tailored to your risk profile. 4. Consider exchange-traded funds, ETFs. ETFs are investment funds that trade on stock exchanges, similar to individual stocks. They often have lower expense ratios compared to mutual funds and provide instant diversification by holding a basket of assets such as stocks, bonds, or commodities. Investing in ETFs allows you to spread your risk across multiple assets with a minimal investment. 5. Explore fractional shares. Fractional share investing allows you to purchase a portion of a single stock, making it affordable to invest in high-priced companies like Amazon or Google. Platforms like Fidelity, Charles Schwab, and SoFi offer fractional share investing, enabling you to build a diversified portfolio with minimal capital. 6. Take advantage of employer-sponsored retirement plans. If your employer offers a retirement plan such as a 401(k) or 403(b), take full advantage of it, especially if they offer matching contributions. Even if you can only afford to contribute a small percentage of your paycheck, the employer match can significantly boost your savings over time. 7. Invest in dividend reinvestment plans, DRIPs. DRIPs allow you to reinvest dividends from stocks directly back into additional shares, often without paying brokerage fees. While individual stock investing carries more risk, DRIPs can be a cost-effective way to gradually build wealth over time, particularly if you choose dividend-paying stocks with a history of growth. 8. Educate yourself. Investing with little money requires knowledge and understanding of financial markets. Take advantage of free resources such as online courses, podcasts, books, and investment forums to enhance your financial literacy. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make informed investment decisions. 9. Stay disciplined and patient. Investing is a long-term journey, and it's essential to stay disciplined and patient, especially during market fluctuations. Avoid reacting impulsively to short-term volatility and focus on your long-term goals. Consistently invest a portion of your income and let time and compounding work in your favor. 10. Monitor and adjust your portfolio. Regularly review your investment portfolio to ensure it aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Rebalance your portfolio periodically by selling overperforming assets and reinvesting in underperforming ones to maintain your desired asset allocation. Investing with little money is not only possible, but also crucial for building wealth over time. By setting clear goals, leveraging technology, and diversifying your investments, you can start your investment journey with even the smallest of amounts. Remember, consistency and patience are key virtues in investing. Start small, stay disciplined, and watch your investments grow over time. With dedication and smart decision-making, you can achieve your financial goals and secure a brighter future. So that's it for today's video. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this one. Thanks for watching.